The dish is then served with sweet and spicy dipping sauce. Tips for making the perfect Vietnamese spring rolls. One of the key elements to making delicious Vietnamese spring rolls is proper rolling. To roll the perfect spring roll, follow these steps. 1. Soak the rice paper in warm water for around 10 seconds until it softens. 2. Place the rice paper on a clean surface and arrange the ingredients in the center of the paper. 3. Fold the bottom edge of the wrapper up over the ingredients, tucking it underneath the filling. 4. Fold the two sides of the wrapper over the filling towards the center. 5. Roll the wrapper tightly up until it forms a neat package. 6. Repeat the process with the remaining ingredients. The key is not to overfill the roll. Overfilling can cause the wrapper to tear, or it might be challenging to wrap them tightly. Another tip is to keep the ingredients fresh and crisp, both in texture and flavor. This is why it is essential to use fresh vegetables and not cook them for too long, as overcooking will lead to a ghee roll. Ghee roll. Additionally, Vietnamese spring rolls are not only a great appetizer but a perfect meal or snack on the go as well. They are portable and easy to eat, making them a popular option for individuals who want to enjoy a quick bite during their lunch break or picnic. Furthermore, Vietnamese spring rolls are not only limited to traditional fillings but can also be customized with creative and unique combinations of ingredients. Some variations include using fruit, such as mango or strawberries, for a sweet twist, or adding avocado for creaminess. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, Vietnamese spring rolls are a dish that you'll definitely want to try. They are not only healthy and delicious, but they are also a fun and creative way to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. Finally, if you're interested in experiencing Vietnamese cuisine in all its glory, consider visiting Vietnam itself. There are many food tours and cooking classes available in Vietnam, which will all you to explore the regional differences in Vietnamese cuisine and learn from local experts. Vietnam's regional cuisine is heavily influenced by its geography, history, and culture. For example, the food in the northern region is more focused on herbs and spices, while the central region relies more on seafood and vegetables. Meanwhile, the southern region's cuisine is heavily influenced by the country's French colonial past, resulting in dishes that use plenty of butter and cream. Meanwhile, the southern region's cuisine is heavily influenced by the country's French colonial past, resulting in dishes that use plenty of butter and cream. By embracing Vietnamese cuisine, you'll not only discover new and exciting flavors but also learn about the culture and traditions that have shaped it throughout the years.